My name is Teacher Skyla. What is your name? Hello, Tim. My name is Tim. Great job. Tim. Hello, Tim. How old are you? Great job. I am 6 years old. Great job. My toys. Great job. Tim, when you do a great job, you get a soccer ball. Soccer ball. Great job. You get a soccer ball. Very good. Look. Can you drag and drop? Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Good job, Tim. Kite. Kite. I fly my kite. Very good. I fly my kite. Great job. Doll. Doll. This is my doll. Great job. Tim, you get a soccer ball. Great job. She flies a... Great job. She flies a kite. This is her... Yes, this is her doll. Very good. Draw a line. Draw a line. Draw a line. Good job, Tim. Good. Yes, this is her doll. Good. She flies a kite. Draw a line. Great job. You get a star. Ding. 1 star. I see 1 star. Good job. What is it? Yes, it is a doll. Drag and drop. What is it? Good job. Drag and drop. Good job, Tim. Fly. Fly. Very good. He flies a kite. Yes, he flies a kite. Good job. I fly a kite. Yes. My sister flies a kite. My sister flies a kite. Great job. You get a soccer Yay! 1, 2, 3. I see 3 soccer balls. Great job. High five. Boom, 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 boom. Good job. She fly or flies? Yes, she flies a kite. Great job. Drag and drop. They fly a kite. Great job. Drag and drop. Yes! Very good. Listen. Who flies a kite? Yes. Drag and drop. Listen. Yes. Good job. Drag and drop. Listen. Who flies a kite? I fly a kite. Yes. Good job. Drag and drop. Yes, I throw a ball. Dino, do you throw a ball?
Yes, I throw a ball.
Tim, do you throw a ball? Yes, I throw a ball. Yes, I throw a ball. Good job. No, I don't swing on a swing. Do you swing on a swing? Good job. No, I don't swing on a swing. Great job. You get a star, Tim. Very good. Do you fly a kite? Yes, I fly a kite. Do you throw a ball? Good job. Do you swing on a swing? No, I don't swing on a swing. Great job. Picture 1. Do they throw a ball? No, they don't. Good job. Picture 2. Do they swing on a swing? Good job. Very good. Picture 3. Does he throw a ball? Good. Use a full sentence. Yes, he throws a ball. Very good. You get a soccer ball, Tim. I see 4 soccer balls. Great job. Does she throw a ball? Yes. Do they fly a kite? Yes, they fly a kite. Tim, do you throw a ball? Yes, great. Yes, I throw a ball. Wow! Great job. You get a soccer ball and a star. Great job today, Tim. Very good. I see 5. Great job. Bye-bye.